Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the knit stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. So we're going to be working single crochet stitches. We're just going to be working into this space into each stitch. So you can see this little triangle right here. You're going to be working into that little triangle to make your single crochet. So it's going to look like this. So here is that next one right here. That little triangle, working into it. You're just going to make a single crochet. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the knit stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.